Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi has assumed role of Delhi's 8th Chief Minister and placed an empty chair next to her in honour of party convener Arvind Kejriwal. BJP MP Manoj Tiwari meanwhile has issued a statement and said the empty chair raises a lot of questions. Manoj Tiwari is saying, does this mean she does not consider herself the CM, and if being the Chief Minister herself she considers someone else as CM, then that is disrespectful for the Constitution and also for the CM's chair.
अरविंद केजरीवाल कब आएंगे, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को कौन लाएगा, ये तो बाद की बात है। लेकिन वर्तमान में तो आतिशी जी ने दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में शपथ ली है। शपथ एलजी महोदय ने दिलवाया है। कोर्ट की जानकारी में संवैधानिक तरीके से अब अगर आज वो एक खाली कुर्सी दिखाती हैं तो आप सोचिए कितने सवाल खड़े होते हैं। इसका मतलब कि वो अपने को सार्वभौम मुख्यमंत्री नहीं मानती, तो जो अपने को मुख्यमंत्री होकर के भी किसी और को मानता है वो मुख्यमंत्री पद का अनादर कर रहा है, संविधान का अनादर कर रहा है। अब जैसे हमने उनको चिट्ठी लिखी कि मैंने मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी जी को चिट्ठी लिखी, अब हम किसी आत्मा को पढ़वाएंगे, हमारा चिट्ठी कौन पढ़ेगा? आप अगर ये शो कर रही हैं कि कोई आत्मा चलाएगी 4 महीने दिल्ली, तो हमारा चिट्ठियाँ कौन पढ़ेगा? इतने सारे सवालों के बीच में एक मुख्यमंत्री किस प्रकार से कह सकता है कि हमारे ऊपर भी कोई है, मैं पपेट हूँ? तो एक पोस्टर तो आजकल चल रहा है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ऐसे जैसे कठपुतली नचाते हैं, ऐसे वो बड़ी वायरल हो रही है। तो क्या और तो आतिशी जी ने तो उसको
Arzu Seth, in fact, is joining us live on the broadcast. Arzu, Atishi's gesture of keeping an empty chair next to her has now evoked criticism from the opposition in the national capital.
Well, yes, Uday, as soon as the Atishi takes the charge as the Delhi Chief Minister, but leaving one chair empty, the CM chair empty, the BJP was very fast to reply to it, to give the reaction on it. And as we heard, Manoj Tiwari is also saying that, Atishi has taken the oath as the Delhi Chief Minister, but if she shows the empty chair, this raises many questions, and this means that she does not consider herself as a Chief Minister. He also said that, is she going to work as a remote control of the Arvind Kejriwal, or how the government will be run? He also said that he has written a letter in which he wrote Chief Minister Atishi. So there are a lot of questions that is being now raised after Atishi has left one chair empty and sitting on the other small chair. We also interacted with the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and they said that this is to give the respect to Arvind Kejriwal, and this is the circumstances in which Atishi has become the Chief Minister of Delhi right now for the 4 months. And she, in fact, while taking the charge, has said that she is taking the charge for the 4 months. And after that, the Delhi people will show their love, support, and will choose the Arvind Kejriwal once again as the Delhi Chief Minister. So we can clearly see the war of words have begun just after the Atishi takes the charge and has left the one chair empty in the CM office.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.